Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll to find the password and security. Then let's tap on System Security, and as you can see here, we've got the installation sources, so the option we're looking for. After tapping on it, you can see that here we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. In my case, the Chrome is allowed. So let me show you how to do it. Basically, you have to tap on this switcher, and your device will show you this warning, or actually will ask you if you really want to do it, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and be careful. So let's simply tap on allow, and as you can see, in my case, the Gmail is right now allowed to install the apps. Of course, you can remove all previously granted permissions. Just tap on it again, and as you can see, it is inactive. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.